Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nia Lachey. If you are already subscribed, thank you. If not, support your girl and hit that subscribe button or like and share on my channel. I just wanted to get on here really quickly because I am going to be showing you my trip to Puerto Rico. It was a solo trip and this is my first travel vlog. So I just wanted to kind of put an introduction, and I've been trying to get this vlog out on my channel for about a week now, and so now I'm just going to do it. But I stayed at a resort called the Grand Rio Mar. It's part of the Wyndham family, and it was nice. It was nice. I would literally give this an 8 out of a 10. I am an independent travel advisor, so I was here for work, but I did have to get some pleasure in as well. And I just wanted to take you along for the ride. So you'll be seeing a lot of things that I did, the restaurants that I went to, and anybody who is looking to book travel, well, I am also an independent travel advisor. So this is what I do. I get paid to travel. I get to go around the world and go to these nice, exotic places and get paid for it. Who wouldn't want that, right? But I just wanted to show everyone about the trip to Puerto Rico because I have never been to Puerto Rico, and it was really a good time. So my information is going to be in the description box if anybody's looking to find a travel advisor, or I also have a website. So if you want to book travel, you want to book your own travel, you can book through my website, which will also be in the description box as well. My name is Nia Lachey. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this content. I had a really great time. And if you have any questions or you want to know, have my itinerary, hit me up. I'll be more than happy to give you travel tips if you are going to be in Puerto Rico or anywhere you go. I go all over the world. So, all right. Love to love y'all. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love to love y'all. Mwah. So I'm here at the airport on my way to Florida. I have a long layover, so I'm gonna be going to I have a day pass at the Ritz. Yeah, so I'm looking so forward to that. And I'm excited. My trip is starting. Well, it didn't start yet, but we here. We are here. Yeah, so I'm excited. First solo tripping, y'all, and I feel good. So can't wait to get to where I'm going, but I'll tune back in a minute. Yes, y'all, I am flying Spirit. Hey, it is what it is. This is going to be an awesome flight. I'm out, y'all. All right, y'all. So I am here at the Ritz Carlton Hotel, and I am doing a day pass here. I had a long layover for my flight to Puerto Rico, so I thought that it would be nice to come to the beach and unwind and have a little lunch at the Ritz Carlton Hotel. So if this is a little hack for y'all might already know, but if you are having a long layover, like after you have a cruise or something, day passes is amazing, and the Ritz Carlton is very nice. It's luxurious. It's $60 for the day pass, and you get access to the pool area. You also get access to this. All right, so I am on the pool deck, which is on floor 7. They have a lot of food. This is the hot tub. Amazing view. Okay, you do have access to the beach. You have access to the pool area. So yeah, so this is it. And the food is pretty good. I just got something like a hamburger and fries and some lemon water, but you can get drinks and you can get all types of different other things. So this is just a hack. If you're coming off your cruise or you have a long layover, you're going to want to take advantage. This is the Ritz Carlton Hotel. It's in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. So yeah, it's a nice, relaxing experience, and it's definitely affordable. So if you have a long layover, there's other day passes that I go over in my other vlogs, but this particular resort is nice, and you have access to the beach down here. There is a charge for the chairs. I believe the chairs are $20, the umbrella is $30. So just depends on your preference. Or you can just sit up here and get a nice view from here. But if you are a beach person and you want to get in the sun, then that's pretty affordable as well. So yeah, all right, well, tune in to my channel, Nia Lachey, and you got to remember, you got to like, subscribe, and share so I can make more content and more videos like this. And I do thank you to all my subscribers who be showing me so much love. And yeah, so I'll be back with more on my travel vlogs. Have a great day. Love to love y'all. Mwah. All right. Have a great day. Thanks. About to do another long plane ride. Thank you. Thanks. Have a good one. Service. Well, this pizza looks good. So, they had 24-hour room service. And I'm about to tear this up, the carrot cake. Yay. Yummy. All right, y'all, this is my balcony. I have the whole ocean. You can see the 5 o'clock somewhere bar, which I'm about to go eat there. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to take y'all along with me today. I'm going to plan my itinerary and just enjoy this beautiful view. All right, y'all. I love to love y'all. I'll be back. Pina Colada. Tuning back in. I am sitting here eating at this place called Kaku. It's a sushi place that is at the resort that I'm staying at, and I got a mojito. This is a beautiful view. I'm going to show you in just a second of the view and their menu. And yeah, so enjoying my time. This resort is beautiful. This is women mostly. We always dress up for our men. And, dress up. But I dress up for me. I love spending time with me. And so this is my first solo trip. And actually, I'm enjoying it. It's just so much that I'm finding out about me that I like and how I can show up in the world. And I met some cool people, having good conversations. So, yeah. If you ever thought about going on a solo trip, of course, be safe. But I've been feeling pretty safe in my resort and just, make wise decisions, of course. But yeah, so I'm about to show you the menu. Okay, so this is my mojito. It looks very tasty as I'm looking at the ocean. Okay, and this is the menu. So if you're ever in the area and you decide that you wanted to stay at this resort, this is their menu, and like I said, it has sushi, they have signature wines, they also have beer, different beer. So you see how they go by the bottle. Yeah. So I will come back to y'all when y'all tune back in and give y'all a little review of the food. Everything I've ate here so far has been amazing. The rooms are amazing. They're putting up Christmas decorations right now, and it looks amazing. So I'm going to do another walkthrough at nighttime of the resort. Y'all, your girl didn't get in till late, and I was just tired, so.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit.
Good morning. So today, I'm sorry, the lighting is bad in here, but today we're going to the Yunque forest. Yesterday was day 1 of the Puerto Rico trip, so today is day 2. Yesterday was a full day, so today will be another full day. I'm going to the rainforest, so I can't wait. A bunch of pictures and a bunch of content that I'm going to have. So this is going to be exciting. I can't do a bunch of walking because I have a condition where I can't walk, so I get like dizziness and things. But this excursion, it's not a bunch of walking. It's just like we're going to be going to different. We're going to be going to the different like locations in a vehicle. So I'm excited to see the waterfall and all the great stuff that the rainforest has to offer. And today, here is the fit. I have my water shoes on and just a little black 2-piece that I got from Amazon. Yeah, so I'm going to keep it light and simple. I'm going to wear my water shoes. And yeah, so I'm excited. I'm going to take y'all along with me today as much as I can. Like, I am enjoying this weather and enjoying just the scenery and this one-on-one time with myself. So, but I am going to bring some content. But yeah. So, and I have my bathing suit underneath just in case. I have my bathing suit underneath just in case if I decide to get in the water. There's like a pool there. All right. I love to love y'all. Mwah. Hey, y'all. So we are at the waterfall. It is gorgeous. This is at the Yunque rainforest. And so I did an excursion. It was of the national forest. It's beautiful. And as everybody knows who is subscribed to my channel, y'all know y'all girl can't be walking because of my, health issues. But I was able to walk because it's low impact. About 10-15 minutes of walking, but it's beautiful. And y'all see, when I actually post the travel vlog. And I'm going to just show y'all this waterfall. This waterfall is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's definitely a 10 out of 10. So I recommend if you are in the area, or you're looking for something to do, all age groups can do this tour. And it's pretty affordable. The resort that I'm staying at actually has it where they set it up, which is at the Wyndham Grand Rio Mar. So yeah, I'll have everything in the description box of like my itinerary if anybody is interested in my itinerary that I did. And yeah, if you're into nature like me, you will love this. So I'm gonna take a picture. Well, not of the trail, and it tells you like where you go. So this is the entrance here, and then it has where you go. All right, y'all, it's your girl Nia Lachey. Tune in to the channel, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll tune in sooner. There's nobody at my tour, so this is the tour bus that took us at the resort. But you can rent a car. I I did not rent a car, but you can if you want to get around. Me personally, I like to not drive when I'm on vacation. I like to be chauffeured. All right, I'll tune in later. Lots of love, y'all. Mwah.
Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going what I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York to shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like months.
Hello. Well, I am back. I am taking you guys to Iguanas. This is another restaurant that is in the resort. So they supposedly have good red snapper, like fried red snapper. So I'm going to try it. And this is a really nice, it's kind of fancy. I didn't dress up today. They had your girl out here hiking. So I didn't dress up today, but it's supposed to be a nice restaurant where you can have seafood. They have a little bit of everything. And I'm also going to have y'all take a look at the menu here. So hold on one moment. So this is the menu. It's called Iguanas. There is transportation that comes up and get you and bring you back. It runs every 15 minutes. And so this is a little bit of what you see on the menu. They have vegan options, seafood, and some authentic Puerto Rican food. I was thinking about trying the mofongo today. So yeah. So it's nighttime right now. You really can't see how beautiful the view is because it's dark. So however, the vibe at the restaurant is really nice. So yes, so I will tune back in once I get my food. And once again, it's your girl Nia Lachey. Make sure you subscribe, share, and like the video so I can make more videos like this. Happy Saturday. Hi y'all, it's your girl Nia Lachey. Welcome to my channel. So I'm up early. It's about 6:30, almost 6:30 a.m. here in Puerto Rico. Welcome to my travel vlog. So today I am excited. I'm going to Old San Juan. And I have a private driver. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I don't know what I'm going to do. I did do a lot of research on TikTok about where to go, like far as restaurants, museums, all that good stuff. They said Old San Juan's a bunch of walking. Yesterday, I did the forest, and yeah, my legs feel a little, they're a little wobbly, but I got this. I think I'm going to go to the hot tub so I can, relax early at the pool and also read my book. But yeah, I'm a little, and I just woke up. So it's early, but I just woke up and cleaned off my face, brushed my teeth. But I like to be early before everybody else. That's just how I do it. So, I'm going to show y'all the pool. I have not been over here yet. This is the pool area. This is the bar where you get good Pina Coladas. Them Pina Coladas, y'all, dangerous, I must say. Because you can drink like 5 of them and be tore up. I think I may still be a little tipsy. It's like I'm just joking. But, yeah, I want to do a hot tub. And I need a towel. I don't have one. Oh, they're over here. So, I'm going to find the hot tub, y'all. And here it goes. The hot tub. Alright, so this is the fit, y'all, for today. It is Saturday. I am at the golf course about to go to the beach. Outfit from Fashion Nova, my Louis sunglasses, jewelry from Amazon. I love these flip-flops. I had them forever. Bag from Shein. Y'all, it's hot. It's 85 degrees here in Puerto Rico and humid, and I wore black. But just a look. I'll tune back in. Hello, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nia Lachey. I'm here at the Grand Rio Mall, and I am at one of the restaurants that are at the resort. I forgot it's called, One in the Hole. So this is like a little bar where there's supposed to be a golf tournament. So all my golfers, if you love golf, this is a nice little chill spot. So this is the golf course. As you can see, it's a 2-mile golf course. And this is a little pub area, so where you can have drinks and food, like little bites. I just got a turkey club and some fries. And we're about to try it out, y'all. Let's see. It's good. It's a turkey club, but it comes with bacon, tomatoes, and it's like a mayo ketchup sauce. I had that removed because I can't eat that. I don't eat pork, but it's really tasty. And I just got some fries with it. There's a shuttle that will bring you here. and take you back to the resort. If you don't have a car, let's call it in. So this place is real convenient. This resort is huge. There is so much to do. And there's so many food places. So you really don't have to go off the resort. But if you did want to go off the resort, you can. But this is like one of the best golf courses. They have a award for their golf course here. And there's a tournament going on today here. So all my golfers might want to check into the Wyndham Resort. You have access to the resort. It's one of the best resorts. So this is just a little bit. The food that I got, it's pretty good. It's just a sandwich. But they have other bites like wraps, hamburgers, things of that nature. All right, y'all, I'm gonna eat my food. Once again, subscribe, like, and share. And to all my subscribers, thank you to continue to support me so I can make videos like this. And subscribe and love on your girl. All right, I love to love y'all. Mwah. I'll tune back in. So this is the golf course. Beautiful. Gorgeous. There goes the villas up there. Those are people's houses that they own. It's a golf tournament today. Beautiful, beautiful day. This is the place, Iguanas. And Iguanas is where I had that mofongo. It was so good. And you can put meat, you can put lobster, shrimp, you can put all types of things. So this is the rainforest side. So guys, this is where I was yesterday. I was in those mountains. Pretty views. And then right here, gorgeous. So this is the first day that it rained, which I'm not too upset about because I've been here. This is my last day here. So hopefully it stops raining for when I go to Old San Juan. We shall see. So yeah. So I was gonna do a photo shoot. That didn't work, so I'm gonna do it inside the building for now. Or on the porch from the balcony.
For Columbus Square, everybody here know you. And right there, exactly, I'll pick up to you again, okay?
Okay.
And the same time, I love San Juan, I tell you what do you do. Because every street up there, you go down to this place.
Okay, so everything kind of goes right back
yes,
to there.
So you lose a little bit, telling to somebody, yeah, I need to go to...
Okay, thank you. Welcome back to my channel. So where I just came from was La Vergüenza. Food was 10 out of 10. The vibe was good. They have nice drinks, Pina Coladas. This place tends to get a super busy. It's about 12 o'clock here. So if y'all are trying to come out here, definitely get here early, especially if you want to go on the top deck. I was on the second deck, but they have three floors, and the view is beautiful. I'm gonna take y'all back over to the view. But yes, 10 out of 10. So y'all keep asking me where to go when y'all go to Old San Juan. This is one of the places that I do recommend. There's so many restaurants out here, but I recommend it. I like the vibe. So yeah, now I'm gonna go walk and do some shopping, and I'm gonna get some pictures. Yeah, so I'll holler back at y'all in a minute once I get back over to the next destination. Hi y'all, it's Nia Lachey. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my travel vlog, my first travel vlog, my first solo travel vlog, okay? And I am in Puerto Rico. Yeah, so by the time y'all see this video, y'all are going to see a whole bunch of stuff. But I am actually going to do a room tour. Now, this room here, I was placed in here 2 days after my initial trip. I was actually able to stay in one of the VIP rooms. I'm a travel agent, so I'm here for a client who's doing her wedding. And I was able to try out their new renovated rooms that comes out in 2025. However, they kicked me out, so now they put me in a standard ocean view room, which this room is pretty nice. So I'm not clowning it, but I like the new VIP rooms. But I'm gonna just show y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna do the room tour. Now, mind you, I've been in this room for 2 days, so it's not really messy. They basically, housekeeping comes every day, but this is when you come into. And here goes a closet. And like I said, I am staying in the Wyndham Grand Rio Mar in Puerto Rico. It's a little bit out of San Juan. They have a safe. Sorry, that's my jacket and my plastic wear. But they have an iron, hangers, extra, sleep blankets and everything. A safe if you want to utilize that. And then they have, ta-da! They have a full-length mirror. The lighting is not the greatest in this room, but it can't beat a full-length mirror. And then when you turn to this side, you do have a full bath. It's a standard bathroom. One sink, comes with all the amenities. They actually install, and you can have your shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner, all natural green tea. And, it's pretty clean. They clean it pretty well. It's just a standard bathroom. I will say they are pretty good with cleaning the establishment, the rooms. And this is the coffee maker. I don't know how to utilize this. Coffee. And I just went downstairs and got me a coffee every day. But so this is the room. This is your king size bed. As you can see, I'm getting ready. I'm like packed. I'm very organized, so I pack as I go through the day, like through my stay here. This room has a nice TV. If you're into watching TV, I'm gonna watch some tonight. Bed's pretty comfortable. But y'all, my first night, there was stains on my sheets. So I'm just saying, if y'all do decide to stay here, definitely check the sheets. But they were very prompt with coming up. They changed them. Okay, I'm almost done here. So here goes the rest. Chair. Then you can gauge your own temperature. Little seating area. One thing I don't like, they don't have a microwave in here. So there's two sides. There's the Wyndham Grand Rio Mar, and then there's the Margaritaville. They have kitchens and things, but this hotel part, it just comes with a refrigerator. which I'm not liking, because if I want to warm up my food at night, I can't. However, they do have 24-hour room service. Look, y'all, your girl got tanned. I'm winning out here. This was such a lovely experience. Y'all do not understand. Look at this. Like, just a lovely experience. Puerto Ricans, one thing I should say, they love their culture and they love people. I have got nothing but love out here. Just everyone. Not just men. It was men and women. Just lovely, good vibes. If anybody's ever thinking about doing a solo trip, come to Puerto Rico. It is lovely. And I felt safe the whole time. Well taken care of. Everybody here, the men was like, they were like gentlemen. They weren't trying to hit on me. They were just like gentlemen. The women here were nice. I met a few people and was able to eat with them a couple times. It was just a good vibe. So, this is just to say, anybody who's ever thinking about going on a solo trip, do it. Why not? You know, spend time with self. Reflect on yourself. You know, do whatever you want to do. And anybody that tells you not to do it, don't listen to them. Because you do what you want to do. You live your life. You live a life and you want to live. My motto, make a living. I make a living living. Alright, and I'm always making decisions that is going to better me, whether it's my mental health or whatever. So just keep that in mind. Do that solo trip. Create that business. Lose that weight. Do whatever you want to do. Just as long as you're doing it and putting God first. Alright, I love to love y'all. I'll tune in later. Mwah. Well, it's time to go, y'all. I love it. It's bittersweet because honestly, I'm ready to get back to my family. I miss my babies so much. And this was what was needed. The sun is out. And it's just beautiful. I thank God so much. I thank my God, Jehovah God, the Almighty, the manifester of just creating a world that is pleasant to the eyes. You know, this is the labor of our Father. And I love being within nature because it makes me grow closer to the Lord. My success doesn't come from material things. It doesn't come from cars, money, the type of clothing I wear. Those are nice things. But it just feels so good to be connected to my Father. This is why I love going around the world and seeing what He created. Not the expensive hotels. Not the best alcohol. It's literally right in front of me. This is what I aim for. To see the beach, the land, the trees. Because this is what my Father created for all His children. And when you get up and close and personable with it, it doesn't matter if you're in the mountains, whatever is serene. Water is therapy. It's healing. It's getting closer to Jesus, and I get so passionate and emotional about it. I just thank Him for allowing me to have the opportunity to get a little closer to Him, up close and personable with Him. So it's bittersweet because I'm leaving, but then once again, I know He's going to get me home safely in the mighty name of Jesus. And I'm going to give back to my family and get loved on by my family. I just thank God so much. So much. But yes, so this is it, y'all. Alright, I'm going to tune back in. And thank you for coming along with me on this journey of my first solo trip, my first solo travel vlog. It definitely is amazing. All right, I finally made it to the airport. I gotta use the bathroom so bad. So I'm gonna find out. I got a minute for my flight. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'll run into it. So, yeah, bittersweet. Get to see my babies. And I'm gonna do some work. And so, just letting everybody know. Stay tuned for all the content that I got on this trip. Definitely a lot of work. I'm trying to get some rest. I have a long layover in Orlando, so I'll be doing my work when I get there. But yeah, healthy snack. You don't have to take everything out your diet, but I need cashews, peanuts, protein, very good food. And I gotta have a little bit of sweetness, but not too bad. Alright, I love to love y'all. Remember, always subscribe, share, and like my channel, Yunque. And I thank y'all for continuing to support my channel so I can do these videos. I'm just so thankful that because without y'all, I couldn't do this. So I love y'all. Alright, and I'll tune in later. I'm about to get some sleep, but we are leaving Puerto Rico now. And a bit of rewarding. So I'll touch base with y'all when I land. Alright, I love y'all. Bye.
High volume.
Am I really that?